Oh, yes, Bang. Oh, go, Mike.
Yes, Miss Noreen is the author of one of the best-selling novels now, best-selling books. And of course, this is your first time to write in a movie. Oh, first time to Miss Noreen, so this is pretty exciting. It's a beautiful story. Of course, directed yan ng nag-iisang Jose Javier Reyes. Okay.
Carla!
Let's start with Banks. Hi, Banks. What do you think is the pinaka-abangan dito sa movie sa'yo and of course sa ikakast? Alright, can I go to Mike Tan, please? Alright, I would like to ask, of course, Tom and Carla, how different is this from your last movie, which is So It's You?
Siguro ako kasi sa So It's You, yung nakakapon eh. Pero, ang hindi ko napili, ay wala experience sa buong buhay ko, ako yung nakakapon. Ay, ito pili na lang. Sarap pala.
Kamay po, bababa yung kamay.
Masarap siguro parang sa mga experience yung nabalikan at sa mga experience na nabalikan ng mga possibilities. Kasi nakakaliw ko sa concept na although hindi man nangyayari ka at first sight, you can take a second look. Minsan, expert na tuwing ko, mali mo yung
Alright, sabay-sabay tayong kiligin. Ready na ba kayo panuwarin ang No Boyfriend Since Birth? Yes, and again, November 11 po, lahat